Shapey from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm going to share the Mandarin Orange Cranberry Sauce recipe that my family has been making since I was a little kid. This is not a low sugar recipe. It is not a from scratch recipe. If you're looking for a low sugar or from scratch recipe, I encourage you to look elsewhere. What this is a delicious recipe that's really easy to make. My father-in-law texts and calls me several times throughout December to make sure I make this for Christmas. It's also great for Thanksgiving, or really any day. Sometimes I just make it in the middle of summer. It's great on top of yogurt too. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through this really simple recipe. It only takes a few minutes to mix together, and that includes the time to open all the containers, which I've already done here. So the first thing that you need is 2 cans of whole cranberry sauce. You definitely want whole cranberry sauce, so if I mush them up a little bit, you'll see, there you go. See how there's some whole cranberries in here? I like to find a cranberry sauce that's made with sugar instead of corn syrup because I find that the texture is a little bit better, but use your favorite whole cranberry sauce. Just make sure it's not the jelly kind that doesn't have any pieces of cranberry in it. The texture is what this recipe is all about. So I'm just mushing up the cranberry sauce. It makes kind of a gross noise. All right, so the next thing that you need is a can of Mandarin oranges. You can actually have this recipe and do just 1 can of cranberry sauce and use the smaller can of Mandarin oranges. This is a 15-ounce can. I'm making this for a lot of people. Once the cranberry sauce is all mushed up, that's when you add the oranges. Next, you'll add raisins. You can also use currants, or if there's other dried fruit you like apricots, just chop it up into little raisin-sized pieces and you can use that instead. I missed a raisin. The next thing you need is lemon juice. There's no substitute. About the juice of half a lemon. So the last thing you need are toasted walnuts. You can leave these out if you are nut-free. You can also substitute other nuts that you like. Pistachios would work really well. I wouldn't use cashews because they're a little too soft, but almonds would work well also chopped up. Whatever nuts you like, or none if you have a nut-hating person in your house or an allergy. That's all the ingredients. So the next thing you do is just gently fold it in. It's okay if the Mandarin oranges break up a little bit, but you don't want to totally break them up because those big chunky pieces of orange are kind of part of what this recipe is all about. It's pretty well mixed. And that's it, y'all. Orange cranberry sauce. What you do want to do from here is chill it I would chill for at least an hour. You can do it for a half hour if you're in a hurry, but I recommend chilling for longer if possible. You can even make this up to a day or two ahead, which is nice. You can just pull it out day of and serve it. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this orange cranberry sauce as much as my family does. Happy holidays!